Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you're well. In this video I will share with you how to do photo editing on Snapseed like a pro. So you can see here the tools option, click on it and select the tune image tool. Then we need to do color correction according to image. I am doing according to my image. This is just for the preference how to do this. So this is how you can do this. A lot of options available like brightness, saturation, vibrance, contrast, highlights and shadows. After tuning the image we need to adjust curve. So I'm placing the point in the curve. This one is the mid-tone, this one is the highlights and this one is the shadows. Again this one is the mid-tone, highlights and shadows. Now I am raise and decrease this point vertically so you can understand better. When I am raise this point up, you can see here how image blown out, this effect on all image, so you can understand how to do this. So you can see here I'm adjusting according to my image and my preference, and just show you practically how to do this, and I hope you understand. So after doing this we need to do another tool called Selection Tool. This is also really usable when you click on the skin tone. So you can see here this tool detect automatically skin tone only, and you click on the same color like red, green or blue. So this tool detect and you can adjust contrast, brightness, saturation and structure values using this tool. Only this will be changed on the selection part, not on the all image. After doing this we have select another tool called Vignette. After adjusting the circle we need to raise or decrease the value. So when you raise the value this will be white, and when you down the values this will be black effect. By the way, if you enjoying this video, so make sure you subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one, and make sure you also check my other videos. I hope you like it, and make sure you also follow me on social media handles to get updates, as well as if you have any query regarding this video or if you watch my another video, so simply ask me on Instagram. After adjusting the vignette you need to adjust its HDR value if you like. So here is the different styles available. In this image it's portrait, I'm selecting the people. So now I'm again adjusting the curve. First of all I'm adjusting the curve RGB, red, green and blue structure, and now I'm adjusting the greens separately from the red, green, blue. I'm selecting the green and now setting the points as I'm explained earlier in the video, mid-tones, shadows and highlights. I'm just adjusting the points and just decrease the mid-tone little bit, and now image much more look crisper and better. So now I'm selecting another tool called Portrait. This is also really usable if you need to adjust your skin tone, your eyes sharpness. So this is really usable. If this tool does not detect, so click on try harder and this will be detect automatically. And different styles available in portrait. I'm selecting the spotlight one. So here you can see different type of options available like skin smoothing, face spotlight and eye clarity. I'm setting the face spotlight +5, skin smoothing 0 and eye clarity +30. After adjusting we need to do again selection, because I think this face need to be more brighter. It's my preference, maybe your preference different, so I'm just sharing my opinion. Again, if you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and also follow me on social media handles to get updates, as well as soon I am giving away 5 Netflix accounts as soon as we can touch 50k subscribers. So I'm giving away 5 free Netflix account for mobile per month subscription. So please subscribe, and as soon as we can touch the 50k, so I'm giving away 5 free accounts Netflix for mobile per month subscription. After adjusting the details like sharpness and structure, I'm using another tool called lens blur. This is also really usable for you if you like blurred background images, and this create a creative look. So I'm selecting this according to my image. So you can see here how image look like before and after using this tool. So how to export image in high quality? Simply click on the top 3-dot menu and select settings and select format and quality and select 100% JPG. After clicking on it, simply export image and your image will be exported in high quality. I am already announced earlier in this video for the giveaway. If you need Netflix free subscription for a month, so simply subscribe and also follow me on social media handles. And please also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. If you have any query regarding this video, so simply DM me on Instagram and reply within 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. See you soon in next video.